Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's doing good. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It's free to subscribe. Just click the subscribe button below the video, and if you want notifications for when I upload a tutorial, click the bell and YouTube will notify you. I got my inspiration for this wreath from an Anthropologie picture, and the wreath was over $200. So I made this one much cheaper, like around $25 or less. For this DIY, you're going to need a 24-inch wreath. Mine's flocked, but you do not have to get flocked if you do not want to, and I bought it at Walmart. You're also going to need some little houses, and I picked up these for $1. They're Christmas ornaments from Dollar General. You're going to need some little bottle brush trees, and I picked them up at Dollar Tree. And I picked up these flocked plastic reindeers in the Target Bullseye Playground for $3. I picked up 3 boxes of the plastic reindeer at Target because I only used 2 of the colors. I did not use the kind of peach color. I'm going to turn those into Christmas ornaments and put them on my Christmas tree. First, you're going to want to take your wreath and fluff it. Always make sure that you take the time to fluff your wreath because no telling how long they have been stuck in a box and just kind of flat. So now it looks much better, all fluffed. Now we're ready to get started. And you're also going to need your hot glue gun and glue sticks. So I'm using some Gorilla Glue hot glue, just taking the flocked plastic deer, adding some to the back of it, putting it on the wreath and just holding it for a little while. Same with the bottle brush, little trees, adding some hot glue, placing them on the wreath, going to hold them for a little while. And I just kind of did a pattern, reindeer in the top center, a tree on each side, and I just did a pattern all the way around the wreath. I also added some shatterproof Christmas ornaments to this wreath, so I just added some hot glue to the top and placed them on the wreath, just kind of tucked them in the flocked wreath, held them for just a little bit. Just be very careful when you use your hot glue. I also added a bow to my wreath, the Anthropologie wreath that was over $200. Did not have a bow, but I just wanted to add a bow because I love adding beautiful bows to my wreaths, especially my Christmas wreaths. At the end of this video, I added some pictures of some of the other Christmas DIYs that I have done so far this year, so you'll have to check them out too. If you do not want to use the Dollar General Little House Christmas ornaments for $1, you could get the plastic houses that light up at Dollar Tree and paint them. I thought about adding lights, but I could not find any that I was not already using, but that would be beautiful to make this wreath light up. I did use 2 packages of the bottle brush or brush bottle Christmas trees from Dollar Tree. I used 3 packages of the reindeer, 2 packages of the Christmas trees, and now I am tying a pretty bow for the bottom of the wreath. I purchased this ribbon this season at Sam's Club. Right now, Sam's Club has in beautiful Christmas ribbon for less than $8 for a roll. If you get the 2.5 inch or the 1.5 inch, you get 50 yards, but if you get the wider ribbon, you only get 25 yards on a roll, which is an excellent deal. I also have lots of bow tutorials on my YouTube channel. I even have a bow tutorial playlist if you'd like to check that out. Once you have the bow the size you want, then you're going to take a zip tie or some floral wire and wrap it nice and tight around the center of your bow. Then we're going to dovetail the ends, fold the end in half with the edges to the left side, go to the folded side, cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the ends, just kind of dresses up your bow. Then you're going to fluff and shape the loops of your bow and just be patient. Sometimes it takes just a little bit of time to get the bow shaped just like you want. After I have the bow shaped like I want, then I'm going to take some 20 gauge floral wire, and you can pick up floral wire at Walmart, Dollar Tree, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, places like that. I'm just going to take a piece of floral wire, and I'm going to take it and go to the back of the bow and thread the wire underneath the zip tie, and that way I can easily attach the bow to the wreath or whatever craft project I'm working on. So I'm just going to take the wires, thread them through the wreath, wrap it around the wreath frame, go to the back, give the wires a few twists, cut them off short, and fold them down. Now I also have, if you're wanting to make a big beautiful bow for the top of your Christmas tree, I have a Christmas tree bow topper tutorial. I have a couple of those actually, so they will be included in my bow tutorial playlist. I also thought about tying a smaller bow and putting it at the top of the wreath, so you'll have to let me know, should I add a bow to the top or is it fine just like it is? So let me know your thoughts. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this Christmas wreath. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you to those who always leave the sweetest and such positive comments on my wreaths. I appreciate y'all so much, and I hope everyone has a happy Thanksgiving and a Merry Christmas.